Welcome all to our channel Technical Knowledge with Engineers. My name is Shivam Pandey and I'm a student of Priyadarshini College of Engineering. So today I have got an opportunity to explain a topic related to C language. So my topic is I'm going to explain the conditional statement in C language. It's an interesting topic. So before getting started, please like and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So what is a conditional statement? The introductory part, what does it say? Conditional statement are used to execute a set of statement on some conditions. तो कुछ conditions में एक statement जो है अगर वो true है तो उसका outcome उसका output जो है वो true दिखाएगा. अब ये तो एक part हो गया. अगर वो false निकलता है तो false वाला part हमको output पे दिखेगा. So it plays a vital role in the programming. Okay. So if the given condition is true, then the set of statements are executed. Otherwise, body is skipped. अगर given condition true है, तो जो set of statement हमने बोला है, वो execute होगा. Otherwise, जो false part है, वो दिखाएगा output पे. So conditional statement programming में shows this part. So it plays a vital role in explaining a set of statements. If conditions. So it is a conditional statement which is used to execute a set of statement on some conditions. अब कुछ conditions है, कुछ conditions में एक चीज true दिखाएगा और कुछ conditions में जो false part है वो दिखाएगा. So if condition पहला part हो गया, it's a starting portion of a programming. So if the starting portion is true, so it is going to show the output also true. So an expression. Now here we can see a term which is Boolean type expression. So now an expression which returns only two value, either true or false, is known as Boolean type expression. So Boolean सिर्फ दो Boolean type जो expression है, which is if conditions, वो दो type का value हमको output में देगा, या तो true नहीं तो false. Now moving ahead, here we can see a syntax. ये सिर्फ if condition का दिखा है. It's a starting portion. उसका syntax हमको दिखा है. So as we can see, the header files hash include htdo.h, hash include conio.h, then void when, then starting getting the program, int, getting int as age, clearing the screen. अब यहाँ पे हमने example क्या लिया है? As we can, we know this information कि if a boy is above the age of 18, he is eligible to vote. So here we have taken the statement if the age is greater than 18, then the printf is eligible to vote. So it is a starting portion, if portion है ये. अगर वो बंदा 18 साल के ऊपर है, then he is eligible to vote. So it's just a starting portion. Now getting to else portion also, further we can see that if else condition. Okay. So it is known as double blocked conditional statement. It means it has true part as well as the false part. पिछले स्लाइड में जो हमने देखा वो सिर्फ हमें if part दिखा रहा था. Now we are going to see both the parts. How it play a vital role in a programming language. If the given condition is true, then the true part is executed. Otherwise, the false part is executed. Okay. Now moving ahead, we can see the syntax. Here we are given a problem that is write a program to accept a number and check whether he is eligible for voting or not. अब यहाँ पे if we concentrately we see the program, header file is given, then starting the program, clearing the screen, we have if age is greater than 18, then what will print or what will be the outcome? He is eligible for voting. Else, what will print? He is not eligible for voting. So अगर हम एक कंडीशन में उसका एज हम 19 दिखाते हैं और फिर आउटकम जो आएगा हमारा वो आएगा कि ही इज एलिजिबल टू वोट. फिर अगर हम दिखाते हैं वो 18 के नीचे है, इफ ही इज 17 और 16, देन ही इज नॉट एबल not eligible to vote. So hope so आपको ये topic समझा होगा. I have tried my best to explain the topic. So we can see that if and else statement plays a vital role in a programming. Moving ahead, thank you. If you like the video, just please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for listening me.